Hey everybody, tonight we're diving into the world of coding, specifically how AI is shaking things up. AI tools are like superpowered assistants for programmers. One of these tools is GitHub Copilot. Copilot swoops in with suggestions like a coding buddy with all the answers. Then we have ChatGPT. Need to write a function? ChatGPT's got you covered. And let's not forget Replit. It lets you write, run, and share code in tons of different languages. These AI tools are changing the game for programmers. They're automating tasks, boosting productivity, and making coding more accessible. Now, you might be thinking, John, are robots taking over the world? Well, not exactly. AI isn't about replacing programmers, it's about giving them superpowers. Think of it like this. AI is like having a really smart intern. They can handle the tedious stuff like writing basic code or finding bugs. This frees up programmers to focus on the big picture. Things like designing complex systems, solving challenging problems, and coming up with innovative solutions. Basically, the stuff that requires a human brain. For example, imagine you're building a website. AI can help you with the layout, generate some basic code, and even suggest color schemes. But it's still up to the human programmer to decide on the overall design, user experience, and creative vision. So while AI is changing the way we code, it's not replacing the need for human programmers. Instead, it's creating a powerful partnership that allows us to build more amazing things than ever before. Let's break it down further, shall we? Imagine you're building a self-driving car. AI can handle a lot of the heavy lifting. It can analyze data from sensors and control the car's movements. But AI needs humans to teach it the rules and ensure safety. A human programmer needs to step in and say, hey, if you see a squirrel, maybe don't slam on the brakes. How about developing a new video game? AI can generate levels and create characters. But human designers bring the story to life and ensure the game is fun. That's where humans come in. We bring the magic, the spark, the je ne sais quoi. Section 4, the future of programming, new jobs, new skills. So what does this all mean for the future of programming jobs? Well, the good news is that programming is not going anywhere. In fact, the demand for skilled programmers is only going to increase in the age of AI, but the nature of programming jobs is evolving. We're going to see a shift towards new roles and responsibilities. Think AI trainers who teach AI systems how to code, or AI ethicists who ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically. We'll also need more programmers who are skilled in human-AI collaboration, programmers who can work seamlessly with AI tools, understand their strengths and limitations, and leverage them to build incredible things. This means that the skills that programmers need are changing too. While technical skills will always be important, soft skills like communication, collaboration, and critical thinking are becoming even more valuable. After all, you can't teach a robot how to be a good team player, can you? Section 5. Experts weigh in, a bright future for human-AI collaboration. Don't just take my word for it. Tech leaders and experts agree that the future of programming lies in human-AI collaboration. They see AI as a tool that can empower programmers, not replace them. Some experts believe that AI will make programming more accessible to everyone. Imagine a world where anyone, regardless of their technical background, can bring their ideas to life through code. That's the kind of future that AI can help us create. Others emphasize the importance of human oversight in AI development. They argue that we need to be careful about how we design and deploy AI systems, ensuring that they align with our values and don't have unintended consequences. The bottom line is this: AI is a powerful tool, but it's just that, a tool. It's up to us, the humans, to use it wisely, responsibly, and creatively. Section 6. Embracing the change AI as a tool for empowerment. So, there you have it. The AI revolution is here, and it's changing the world of programming as we know it. But instead of fearing the robots, let's embrace the possibilities. Let's see AI as a tool for empowerment, a way to augment our own abilities and create a better future for everyone. The future of programming is bright and it's collaborative. It's about humans and AI working together, each playing to their strengths to build amazing things that we never thought possible. And who knows, maybe one day AI will even be able to write its own late-night comedy show. But until then, you're stuck with me. And that's the real scary story, folks.